Hey guys, diving right into this wall art. This piece is about 4 feet long, about 28 inches tall, 3 inches thick, carving it up with a chainsaw. We'll be using some power tools. Just a real quick take on this. Fun, something new, something different. Let me know what you guys think. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all, and enjoy. Alright guys, check it out. Here's that wall piece we've been working on. All carved up. Piece of white birch. Carved, painted. Got our moose. Mountain range. Trees. Had hopes for a cabin, but we got rid of all of that, so it's all see-through there. Negative space. Red canoe. Let me know what you guys think. Appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up. Hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all. Don't forget to turn on your YouTube notifications. I'm trying to hit 30,000 subscribers this year. We are just over 24,000 right now. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have an awesome day.